talking back in verses 18 through 28, wherein Krishna is talking to the Braj gopis in a contrary and indifferent mood. Krishna mood and manner. Repeatedly, Krishna is preaching to these gopis that are in front of him before Radharani arrived about their social duties and rituals in the Varnashram, karma, and dharma system. And he repeatedly asked and ordered them to go home, return to their houses. The whole dialogue of Krishna was employed just to pass the time. Krishna was waiting for the arrival of Srimati Radharani. Otherwise, Sanatana Goswami speaks, it would be impossible, absolutely impossible, for Krishna to ever speak these verses, verse 18 through 28, if Radharani was present before him. So this proves that Radharani is not there at that time. And the reason that Radharani was late, because she had too much makeup to put on and applied too many decorations.